Okay, so today we're just going to go over some of the new tools that I've bought for the residency. So the first thing is the side axe, and there's the make, and it's quite good because it comes with a protective cover for the blade. This is a right hand side axe, and it's quite nice because you can hold it right up to there for finally controlling the cut. I spent quite a lot of time sharpening this. These tools, they never come from the manufacturer sharp, but you've got a perfectly flat face here and all the bevel is on this side. So this is a right-handed side axe, so you can use it just for cleaning off wood like that to get a nice plain surface. I'm being a bit careful here because I've got a concrete floor and I don't want to slip and then hammer into my concrete floor and ruin my blade. So ideally you'd do this sort of work on a big block of wood. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, now that it's sharp, how it's going to be used. So it's almost like a planing cut. And this has got to be kept really sharp. So yeah, that's the side axe. Next up, we've got Japanese folding saw. This is from Axminster Power Tools in Cardiff. There's the saw. This has got a blade specifically for green woodworking. So it's about a 10-inch blade, so only for cutting branches, but that's a really handy saw there. So this has just come in the post. It should be a Froe. Anyway, here it is. It's a 10-inch Ray Isles Froe with a beech handle. Quite a nice case it comes in. I'll keep it in that. Here's the blade itself. It's quite oily. So this is a Ray Isles Premium Froe 10-inch blade. It's got a good thickness to it. So it'll need a sharpen. Not that a Froe needs to be super sharp. It goes in like that. So first impressions, I need to put a finish on the handle, give the blade a bit of a sharpen, and then give it a go. Nice.